each honorable way to succeed, there are a dozen ways to cheat in order to get there too. Welcome to the top 5 trending. Players secretly using unfair and illegal means to help them win is obviously as old as the competition itself. But it's still shocking when we hear about an athlete taking a shortcut to get to the top. From steroids to match fixing, from feigning injuries to faking disabilities, we bring to you these top 5 biggest cheating scandals in the history of sport. It's impossible to write about cheating sports stars and not start with Lance Armstrong. The superstar of cycling overcame cancer to win an unprecedented 7 Tour de France titles. He was one of the most celebrated athletes in the American history until it all turned out to be a farce. In 2012, the USADA came to the conclusion that Armstrong had used performance-enhancing drugs throughout his career. The upshot was Armstrong being stripped of all 7 Tour de France wins, plus he also received a lifetime ban. Any doubts about his guilt were expelled when he famously confessed on Oprah. The scandal has already led to a Hollywood film, 2 feature-length documentaries, and also a number of books. Coming in at number 4 is the only entry on the list that didn't see the athlete in question or punished even though there is proof. Yes, you probably guessed it right. We're talking about the famous Hand of God. Diego Maradona scored perhaps the most controversial goal in the soccer history at the 1986 World Cup quarterfinals between England and Argentina. During the match, Maradona was challenged for a header near the goal, but instead directed the ball into the net clearly using his hand, something the referee failed to spot. His quote following the game is infamous to this day, stating that the goal was scored a little with the head of Maradona and a little with the hand of God. Unsurprisingly, this did not go down too well with England supporters, as Argentina would go on to win the 1986 World Cup. Our number 3 scandal is the most famous instance of cheating in a marathon. Happened at the 1980 Boston Marathon when 26-year-old Rosie Ruiz won the whole thing with an amazing time at just over 2 hours and 30 minutes and nearly setting a record. But people were suspicious when Ruiz appeared at the finish line, barely in a sweat, completely composed, and no one could remember having seen her during the first 25 miles. When witnesses came forward a few days later to say that they'd seen her run onto the course from the sidelines just a mile from the finish line, her medal was revoked. Taking the number 2 spot, we turn to the world of gentlemen's game, cricket. Hansie Cronje was a huge name in South Africa as the captain of the national cricket team and one of the best batsmen in the sport. His reputation was destroyed in 1999 when he was recorded offering to fix matches in return for money. After the recording, which also implicated 3 other players, came to light, Cronje was banned from playing cricket for life. Despite this, he was still voted the 11th greatest South African player in 2001, but he tragically died in a plane crash in June 2002 while fighting the ruling at the age of 32. Taking the number 1 spot in our list is Tonya Harding. When it comes to cheating scandals, it doesn't get more infamous or high profile than Tonya Harding. Her story is without doubt the most serious on the list as it's the only one that led to the injury of an opponent. Going into the 1994 US Figure Skating Championship, Harding's main competitor was Nancy Kerrigan. Kerrigan, however, was attacked after a practice session, forcing her to withdraw. It later turned out that the attack was planned by Harding, along with 3 others including Shane Stant, the man who carried out the attack. Harding was then sentenced to 3 years of probation, 500 hours of community service, and a huge fine. She was also banned from US figure skating events for life. So those were our top 5 sports scandals. Do you agree with our list? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to never miss your top 5 trending list again.